You will suffer from receding hairline or hair fall once in your life.
The hair loss problems which is caused by the environmental condition or polluted environment is a temporary hair loss problem. Beardo hair serum with argan oil.
And the most common thing which we will see is a noticeable M shape in hair, as you can see it in the photo.
But if none of them or only one of them suffers from the hair loss problem, then there is very less chance that you suffer from it.
When you wave your hands through your hairs, you see a lot of hairs, around 5 to 6 at one time coming in your hand.
Hello guys and welcome back to the ACE. In this video I am going to discuss with you the solution of one of the biggest problem everyone faces, be it male or female, and that is hair fall or receding hairline, and that too at very young age, between 18 to 25. So if you want to know the solution of your problem, please watch this video very attentively and then you will know everything about the problem you have and the solution of it too. And just one more thing, we also have a bonus tip in between the video somewhere that is on how to have healthy hair. Look out for that. So guys, just sit back and let me enlighten you.
So this video is just not about receding hairline. This is about three things. Number one, hair fall problem at very young age. Number two, which is the topic of this video, receding hairline. And number three, which is most important, and it is damaged hair and unhealthy hair causing hair fall. So look forward to it. So one thing I would like to tell you is that whether it's now or whether it's later portion of your life, either in your 50s or your 60s, you will suffer from receding hairline or hair fall once in your life. And that is for every guy. You can Google it if you don't trust me. So my friend, how do you know that you are suffering or you are starting to get receding hairline or hair fall? Well, there are few progressive steps in which a male baldness pattern goes for receding hairline. And let me tell you about them. Starting from number one. The number one thing is receding hairline is always uneven sections of hair. And the most common thing which we will see is a noticeable M shape in hair, as you can see it in the photo. Number two, you can also see loss of hair at either the front portion or either the back portion of your hair. Also, one more common thing which happens is when you wave your hands through your hairs, you see a lot of hairs, around 5 to 6 at one time coming in your hand. And that is a sign of male baldness pattern or the start of receding hairline. Also, let me tell you one good news, which is receding hairline can be easily solved if you're around 16 or 24. But if your male baldness pattern has become very severe, it would be difficult. So if you are someone who's watching this at the starting of the receding hairline, just do watch it till the end, because I'm going to tell you the solution right now. So guys, if you're watching the video right now, I would just like you to do one thing. Please drop a like, because I promise you, you're going to get the solution of receding hairline 100%. You're not going to fix it in one day, but you can surely do it within a month or two. And you can get better results at your hair. Okay?
So guys, now I'm going to explain you all the causes that cause hair fall or receding hairline. The problem of hair fall or receding hairline is caused by these points mentioned below. Number one, genetics, or the genes that you inherit from a parental father, mother. You know that you have a hair loss problem by analyzing the hair of your father and your mother's father. If both of them are bald, then there are chances that you have the genes of them and you may go bald at your later ages. But if none of them or only one of them suffers from the hair loss problem, then there is very less chance that you suffer from it. The problem with genetically inherited hair loss problem is that it cannot be cured completely, but it can be postponed for later ages. Or in some cases, if you are the lucky one, then it will affect you in the very later age of your life, and it won't matter that much at that part of your life. Number two, hair loss due to environmental conditions. The hair loss problems which is caused by the environmental condition or polluted environment is a temporary hair loss problem. So the good news about that is you can stop this hair loss problem. But if not taken care at the right time, it will become a permanent damage for your hair and you will experience hair loss. Also, it will lead your hair to be rough, less dense and thin. The next point is hair loss problem caused by the overuse of heat tools like hair dryers and the direct contact with the sunlight. The thing is that your hair is as sensitive as your skin and it gets damaged when it is exposed directly to direct heat. Heat causes over dryness of your hair, and that over dryness removes all the essential oil present in your hair and leading them to get thin, and which then leads to hair fall. So guys, I will recommend you one thing. When you are using hair dryer, I will recommend you one product which is very good for your hair. You should use it before using the hair dryer, and that is the Beardo hair serum. Let me show you. Beardo hair serum with argan oil, and it acts as heat protectant before using the hair dryer. Let me show you how it looks like from the inside. So this is the actual hair serum you get from the Beardo embedded with argan oil. So this is the one you can see. So guys, this product acts as a heat protectant for your hair. Also, it is very good for your hair. So guys, if you want to shop this product, the link of this product will be given in the description box below. Go and buy that product. You will not regret your decision. So guys, the next thing is unhealthy eating habit. Let me tell you an interesting thing about your body. Whenever in your body there is a lack of protein, vitamin or mineral, then it fills up that requirement by compromising on your hair. And that time you should know that you are lacking some mineral in your diet. So I will suggest you, if you are experiencing a mild hair loss, please take a proper and fulfilled diet. Take a balanced diet. So guys, these were all the reasons because of which someone faces hair loss or receding hairline. I will mention and write down these points here on the screen.
You have already been told about the reasons why you get receding hairline or hair fall. Now I'm going to tell you the solutions, what you can do to fix receding hairline or hair fall at young age. And you should do it if you're watching till now. So, as there was a reason which was eating habits, so I would like to recommend you that you should start eating healthy and the right diet to get healthy hairs back. I think you may have to buy some things and get some more food items in your house, but they'll do one thing, they'll help you grow back your hair. And let me list the things. Number 1, it is omega-3 fatty acids. You can see it here, or you can go into the link in the description and there will be a page which will redirect you to the best omega-3 fatty acids. Number 3, you should have a protein-rich diet, and a protein-rich diet includes these all. Third thing, vitamin-rich diet. You can take multivitamins, which will also be in the link in the description. I'll place the best one which I use and my friends use. And you can also eat some foods which are high in vitamins, which are these. Last thing, which is very important and which is very crucial and you can easily get it, that is dry fruits. So that's all for the diet portion which can make your hair better. Let's move on to the second one. Now the second thing which we have discussed already is pollution. Pollution can reduce your hair for a temporary period, but you can also solve it by using the right shampoo, which we always tell you, and it is the Beardo shampoo. You can also use some other shampoo, but I will link the Beardo shampoo in the description. But remember one thing, you need to use the right shampoo to get the pollutants out of your hair, and they can cause permanent damage as well. So be careful friends, go and buy the Beardo shampoo. And to make your hair more fresh, you need a conditioner. Now, I will not tell you which conditioner you need to buy, you decide it yourself. And the third thing which I consider is the most important and the easiest thing. You know what it is? Applying oil to your hair. Everyone does it, but most of you have stopped doing it. But you should do it regularly. You know what the benefits of oiling are. It makes your hair smooth, stronger and better. Again, you can use oil once in a week or twice in a week. And I'll tell you one thing, you can apply it at night and then you can get up in the morning and wash it with the conditioner and the hair shampoo which I told you. It will be really beneficial if you do it regularly. As we told you, heat, not just heat, too much heat is bad for your hair. So you should not blow dry your hair every day, never. Because it makes your hair thin and you start to get hair fall or receding hairline. And if you do want to use a hair dryer daily, you should protect it with the heat protectant, which is this, the Beardo hair serum. This contains argan oil, and you can go on Google and search it, what the benefits of argan oil are. It makes your hair strong, smoother and better. So you need to use it as a heat protectant before you hair dry. So now we have discussed all the reasons why receding hairline or hair fall is caused at young age and how you can solve it within 1 or 2 months, and you can see the changes, I promise you, if you follow them. Now I have discussed all those solutions you need to follow to stop receding hairline, and I will list them again here, so watch them.
Wait, if you think you're suffering from severe receding hairline or even mild, you can go to a doctor. It's very simple and get one of these. They'll really help you, really. Okay?
So guys, thank you very much for watching the video till now, and I would like, if you like the video, comment on it and subscribe our channel. Let me suggest you what can you comment down below. You can comment down below the topic of our next video. So guys, that's all for today's video and we will be back very soon. Bye.